Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. Hey, Mike Freeman. Hey, Mike. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you on here, bud. Nice to see you. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Hey, David. Welcome, David. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. We have a lot of information to go over. All right. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Guess what? Market's moving higher again. All right. So we are breaking resistance on the Dow. All right. So big picture. Let's go over big picture on the Dow. Right. Weekly time frame. Right. We're in all-time highs territory. All right. So we're making all-time highs, guys, on the Dow. All right. We had some selling that come in week before last, little bit last week. Guess what? Buyers are back in control. All right. So we are back in long. You guys know we've trimmed out a lot of positions, cut some losses. All right. Had some profits in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. We'll look to continue to now add positions again. All right. Our US 30 traders, be on alert. US 30 NAS 100 traders, be on alert. Okay, so Dow, all right, buy signal here. Again, weekly time frame, right? All-time high territory. All right, NASDAQ, buy signal on the NASDAQ. Again, weekly time frame. All right, here is the all-time highs here on the NASDAQ. So we're not too far from the all-time highs, heading towards resistance here. All right, to break through. Now, we can bring it down here, but we'll keep it right here for now. All right, that's the NASDAQ. S&P, we broke through resistance. All right, so on Friday, guys, we broke through resistance. Look here. Now, this is a big deal. We're breaking through all-time highs territory. All right, in these indexes. The previous high was back end of 2021, right here. Here we are, right? 2024 breaking resistance. That's a big deal. We're getting buyers to come in. We thought price would slow down, right? Hit this resistance here, pull back. Guess what? Buyers are coming back in, pushing price higher. The Russell buy signal was here, right? At resistance, pull back, looking to break through that resistance right there. All right. So buyers are back in control in equities. All right. Dollar holding right here. Yen moving lower, right? As the yen moves lower, that will help the pound yen to move higher. All right. We're doing really well with some of the yen pairs. All right. So equities are back long. No shorts. Okay, do not short equities. All right. So if you're looking to get puts, all right, just be aware that you're going in the wrong direction. We need to be going long. All right. US 30 traders, right? You guys should have received the alerts for the US 30. We got a buy signal. This is a big buy signal here on the 240. All right, 240-minute time frame, big buy signal. Our US 30 traders, whether you trade, now I know some of you like the smaller time frames, that's fine, but you want to be all over this trade. All right, 240 has a buy signal, breaking resistance here, clear resistance here. On the daily time frame, you guys look here on the daily time frame, really good buy signal here. Not a buy signal here, and we're breaking resistance, right? And the US 30 will follow the Dow, all right? So great trading there. Big congratulations to Michael, all right? Michael just got started with us, and already he's trading the US 30, got in position, and pretty decent profit so far. So good job, Michael. Congrats. Just hold on. Stay in that trade, all right? Just hold on. And if you got a white candle, you can pay attention to it. Red candle, close the trade. Sell signal by your system, close the trade. All right. But guys, this looks good, right? Hopefully continues to move higher. All right. Let's take a look at current positions, our current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Trades have done really well in Monster Scalper. Let's make sure that they're holding. Let's make sure they're holding. All right. All right. We'll go through this quickly. All right. All right. So Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen. A buy signal is here right on the break of resistance, right? Pull back, but still holding. All right. So if anyone is in this trade, Aussie yen, just hold it for now. White candles, right? We're hoping to see green candles. Buyers come back in, retest resistance here. All right. So Aussie yen, fairly new trade there. All right. CAD yen, buy signal is here. Bit of a pullback, broke resistance, holding all green candles, right? We need buyers to just continue to move higher. All right. So no changes there. CAD yen. Hong Kong yen, HKD, JPY, right? Great trade going here, guys. I think this is for, let's see how many pips here. This is for almost a little over 600 pips. All right, lots of pips here. All right, so continue to hold this trade. All right, buy signal here, all the way down here. Here it is right here, all green candles. All right, our target is here. If we can make it up all the way here, guys, that will be for a little over 1,100 pips. All right, so lots of pips here. HKD, JPY, good markdown phase. Remember to bring in your downward trend line, your down line here. All right, markdown phase. Bring in your upward trend line here. Bring in your V target here. All right, all green candles, nothing to do. Great trade going there. HKD, JPY. USD JPY, another good trade, almost similar. Nice markdown phase. Our buy signal was here. All right, right at 142, trading at 148 for about 600 pips. Okay, guys, let these trades run. So just leave them alone. Don't mess them up. All right, let them run. All right, if you want to add, if you're already in it, okay, so if you're in it down here, right, you've held it through, you can add. All right, another area where you can scale up would be right here on the break of resistance right here. All right, this looks good to get to its target. Okay, and as remember, right, the yen pairs will follow the equity market. So as the indexes are breaking higher, these yen pairs will continue to move higher. Okay, all right, pound yen. I think pound yen is the best opportunity we have. Really good trade there. This one here is for a little over 600 pips also. And the nice thing is holding right at above resistance. Look at that, guys. All green candles. We don't have a single white candle, no red candles, right? And it is breaking resistance here, right? Here is your resistance. As a matter of fact, we could move it up right about here. Here we are. So we could see where buyers really come in and push that price higher. All right. Hopefully we can get to about 1,000 pips or so on this trade. So far, looks good. All right. Markdown phase. Remember, markdown phase, markup phase, right? If it breaks through, if we get a red candle here, all right, we might want to close. I wouldn't close on a white candle. All right, but a red candle, you might want to close, take all those profits. Sell signal, you guys know, definitely close the trade. So this is amazing trading. All right, so about 600 pips there. ZAR yen closed. All right, ZAR yen closed. Buy signal was here. All right, sellers came in, red candle, sell signal, so close that trade. So ZAR yen, close that trade, please. Okay, get out of it. This is what could happen. Sellers could come in, so take your small loss, get out of it. All right, the dollar pairs. Let's see how the dollar pairs are doing. All right, so USD CZK. Now let's before we do that, the dollar index. Here's the dollar index. All right. Dollar index, here it is in the markup phase. All we're waiting for, guys, is a buy signal. We just need a buy signal right here on that dollar index, similar to over here, right? We just need a buy signal and then retest resistance. So just keep in mind, right? The dollar index currently up, all right? Green candles here, we could get a buy signal. If that happens, right? If that happens, we could see the dollar pairs, all right, continue to move higher. So just keep that in mind as we go through the dollar pairs. We have a lot of positions, guys, a lot of positions here. All of these positions are long for whatever reason, right? Forex is long right now. So we just have to go with what's what the market is doing. So we don't have any shorts. All these trades are longs. Okay. All right. All right. So USD, SEK. All right. Markdown phase, buy signal here, sell signal here. Good trade. We had another buy signal here, sell signal here. So we should be out of USD SEK. If it gives another buy signal, breaks through that resistance, we'll get in again. All right. So take profits, get out of it. Okay. USD CZK. All right. USD CZK, USD SEK was the previous. USD CZK is this one here. All right, buy signal here on the break of this resistance here. Our first target is here. All right, so buy signal is here, trading up nicely. Right, we move that trend line here. Target is right here. Nothing to do there. All right, USD NOK. All right, buy signal here. We have two trades. Markdown phase, buy signal, buy here, sold here, buy here, current buy signal here, trading up nicely, heading towards first target up here. Second target, if it gets past that area, second target is right over here. All right. All right. USD NOK, USD CNH. All right. USD CNH that closed for a profitable trade. All right. So make sure you remove those trades, clean your system. All right, buy signal was here, broke support, right? Red candles coming in, sell signal right here. So USD CNH, close that trade, please. All right, USD CNH. All right, USD MXN, USD MXN. Hold on, USD MXN. I think I deleted it by mistake. Hold on. I'm going too fast here. Hold on. USD MXN. All right, there it is. USD MXN, that one closed, guys. All right, buy signal was here. This one reached its target, but came right back down. Red candle, closed the trade here. All right, so USD MXN, close that trade, please. All right, very choppy trading with this one. All right, a decent markdown phase though. So USD MXN, close that trade. All right, USD DKK, USD DKK, right? Close that trade. Buy signal here, sell signal here, right? We could get another buy signal, right? If it breaks resistance, we get another buy signal, but close the trade for right now. USD DKK. USD SGD, that's your dollar, Singapore dollar. Previous trade was here. Here's the trade. Buy signal here, sell signal here. So go ahead, guys, take profits. Not a bad trade. Made it all the way to its target. Sell signal right here. Buy signal here. Decent markdown phase. So go ahead and take your profits. Close this trade. Now, this one here was for about, what's that? A little over 100 pips. Close that trade. USD SGD. Dollar ZAR. All right, dollar ZAR, buy signal. Let's see here. We didn't call this buy signal. Close the trade. This is A horrible trade. So it gap down, not gap down, but made a spike down, guys. Buy signal was here. All right. This happened here today, but this trade we were in since when let's see here. This buy signal was on the 16th. All right, but it closed. Here is where it closed for a loss here. So close that trade. All right. Dollar ZAR. The ZAR pairs, you guys know, will really, really move. So just be careful trading the ZAR pairs. Okay. A lot of volatility in the ZAR pairs. So, and very, very choppy trading. Not a very good setup for us. Okay. All right. Dollar CAD, the last one. Dollar CAD, buy signal here, sold here. Current buy signal was here. Red candle closed the trade right here. Sell signal closed the trade. So dollar pairs are still struggling. Okay, so just be careful. All right, with those. All right. Pound pairs. All right, pound. So pound PLN, that's your Polish pair. Buy signal here. Sellers came in heavy. There's nothing you can do about that, guys. Right? Big red candle, broke support, big red candle, forced to close the trade. Nothing we can do about that. Just close the trade. Take your small profit, small loss, close the trade. Look for the next opportunity. Okay. GBP PLN, close that trade, please. All right. Pound NZD, GBP NZD. Good trade going here. All right. So here's your markdown phase. Buy signal here. First target made it all the way up here to its first target, guys. Look at this. All right. Getting ready to break through second target. Great, great, great trade here. All right. Great, great trade. Lots of pips here. All right. So buy signal here. Nice markup phase. No red candles. All right. Reach its target here. Now, if you guys are in this trade, you might just want to take profits off the table because we do have sellers sitting here, here, and here. All right. Even if it really makes a push higher, you might see it where it comes back down. All right. So great trade. If you're in it, take some profits. If not, take most of the profits off the table. You might want to leave a small position. Okay. All right. So GBP NZD, good trade there. All right. Pound Swiss. All right. Good trade in here with Pound Swiss. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal. Trading right at resistance here. Just keep an eye on it. This is where sellers are sitting right here. All right. All green candles here. So nothing to be concerned about. If you get white candles, pay attention to it. All right. But otherwise, no concern there. All right. So pound Swiss, great trade going here. All right. This one so far is for about almost 300 pips. Okay. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, great trade going, guys, with Pound Aussie. All right. Buy signal here. All right. You guys should be all over these trades. All right. Great opportunity. Tons of opportunities. Okay. So too late to get in now, though. All right. So pound Aussie, buy signal here, moving up nicely. All green candles. All right. All green candles. We're going to move this resistance up to about right here. Right about here. Right. We have a purple support and resistance here. It's moving up nicely, but guess what? Right. You might see it start to struggle here, right? Because we have resistance here, purple support and resistance here. All right. But look at these candles. They want to break up higher. So just keep that in mind. All right. Protect your profits. All right. Don't get out too quickly. Right. Manage those trades, stay in them. Right. Be alert, but be aware if you get a red candle, sell signal, just close the trade. Take profit. Okay, great trading pound Aussie. All right, next one, Euro Aussie, another good trade. These are great trades, guys. All right, buy signal here, broke through first target. Second target is here, and this one looks good. All right, it's done its pullback, it's held. All right, held the moving average, held the trend line. Buyers are coming back in. All right, looks good to perhaps test the next target here, right? If it make it up here, boy, that's a lot of pips, okay? But 600 pips there, all right? That's Euro Aussie, Aussie New Zealand. These are some new ones we've added, and I know some of you are in these New Zealand pairs. Good job. All right. So buy signal here, choppy markdown phase. All right. Not as smooth, but that's fine. We've got to get past this area. So buy signal is here. It's moving up, looking to break through that resistance. Next area of resistance is up here. And then use this resistance. Make sure you guys bring in your lines. This will help you stay in the trade, right? Manage the trade. All right. So next target, this is where the buyers failed before. So we're moving up now. All right. We got to get past this area, which is it's getting close to that, and then hopefully test this area. If it can get past this area here, then right over here is where we've got more resistance up here. All right. So candle by candle, step by step, walk your trade up. Okay. Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie, New Zealand. That's there. And then Aussie, Swiss, another new one, fairly new. All right. Buy signal right here. A bit of a pullback holding white candles. Keep an eye on this one for sure. All right. Purple support and resistance here. We need buyers to come in. You guys have seen this before where prices like this, we get buyers, especially overnight, to come in. However, you get a red candle, close the trade. All right. So a lot of consolidation in here. All right. This is a bit confusing. So let's do this. This can be confusing here. All right. So markdown phase. Let's keep it simple. Markdown phase, buy signal, green candles. All right. Target is up here. Okay. Target is right here. Remember, this is where sellers are sitting. So if you get up to this area, never hurts to take profits. Okay. So very good trading. All right. Very good trading in Monster Scalper. All right. Our Forex Monster Scalper traders. You guys have done really well. I've heard from you guys. So good job trading Monster Scalper. Okay. Forex Dominator. So let's go through. We have a few long positions in Forex Dominator. Then we'll take a look at Stock Boss, Bull Master. We'll do those quickly and then get you guys out of here. All right. We're right on time. Okay. So Forex Dominator. We have long positions in Forex Dominator. All right. Not as many as Monster Scalper. So let's go through those. Remember, Monster Scalper is on the daily time frame. All right, so EURTRY right here, good trade going here. All right, very profitable trade. Buy signal was here, right here, still holding all green candles. I know it's moving slowly, but let it do its thing. USD TRY, all right. Previous trade, really good previous trades. Buy here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Current trade, buy signal is right here. Price is moving up. And again, I know it moves. Turkish pairs move slow, but they will move. All right. EURCZK. All right. Buy signal here. Right. Moving up nicely. Breaking resistance here. Right. With Bull Master guys, we have to give them time. All right. They take longer. All right. Pound New Zealand. These are new trades in Monster Scalper. Right. So Pound New Zealand. Let's bring in our lines. So a nice retracement here. All right. To get in. Markdown phase. All right. Markup phase right here. And our target, first target, is right here. Hold on. All right. Oh. Come on. All right. There we are. All right. So we'll bring that first target right where the sellers started, right about right about here. So buy signal here. Let's try to get to that target first. All right, that first target right here. Pound New Zealand, pound PLN. All right, nice markdown phase. Buy signal is here. Look here, it's moving up nicely, guys. Right along that trend line. Nothing to do. All green candles. First target here, second target here. All right, so remember, bring in your lines. If you guys need help bringing in your lines, let me know. Okay, let me know. Send me a text, email, and I'll help show you how to draw in your lines. Okay, GBP SGD markdown phase. All right, buy signal right here. Here is our target here. Okay, all green candles, nothing to do. USD CZK, same thing. Markdown phase. There's your V. All right, buy signal, green candles, our target here. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen, here's your markdown phase, small markdown phase, holding right at resistance. Buy signal here, we need it to break out. Okay, as the yen pairs continue to move higher here in Monster Scalper, we'll get buy signals. This is the first one, but we'll get buy opportunities in Forex Dominator. Okay, so very good price action in Forex. Forex had started to consolidate, but it's opened up, which is good. All right. Before we get into equity, Stock Boss, Bullmaster, we have a couple of trades in longs in Monster Futures. So we have two futures, two trades. We have cattle, and we send these alerts out. So feeder cattle, buy signal here. All right, let's bring in. This is in Monster Futures now. All right, so here's your markdown phase here. That's in feeder cattle. Here's your markup phase. Buy signal right here. And we needed to get past this area right about here. All right, good price action. All right, we're making higher lows, guys. See that right here? Broke resistance, near-term resistance right here, moving up nicely there. All right, the next one we've got is the S&P. We've been in this S&P trade for a while now. Okay, you guys know that. Markdown phase, good markdown phase. Okay. Buyers came in, buy signal here, broke resistance. We're moving up nicely there. All right, and that's your S&P E-mini in Monster Futures. Okay, so two great trades going. No shorts. All right, no shorts. All right, Stock Boss. So you guys know we were adding. We had a great Christmas rally, right? Markets did really well for the Christmas rally. We got some selling early January. So it looks like buyers are coming back in. All right. So we will not add any picks this evening. All right. We'll look to see how the current positions are holding. All right. Current positions are holding. And perhaps tomorrow into Wednesday, we might look to add positions, right? As far as Stock Boss, we don't have much in Stock Boss, and that's the reason why, okay? So let's run Stock Boss quickly. So we're going to run it right here, Stock Boss. So we only have 20, all right? So that's not a lot. And some of these we're already in. Bullmaster, 32, not a lot, okay? So we need to see more buying come in. You guys know we've had 150, 200 in hit seekers. So we'll wait. All right, we're gonna go through these picks, stocks. Remember, Stock Boss, these are stocks that are under $10. All right, under $10. We'll go through these quickly. If we've got a white candle, we'll hold for now. White candle, we'll hold. Red candle, close the trade. Sell signal by your system, close the trade. Okay, so UP, that's holding. All right, ZIM, that's holding. Markdown phase, your buy signal is right here, right? Reached its first target, all green candles. Let's see if it can, if the markets hold, continue to move higher, right? Our hope is it breaks resistance, head towards its second target here, right? Buy signal here was at 907, trading now at 13, 14. Boy, if it can get up to this area, $24, that would be great. All right, so we'll hold it for now. All right, CLVT. All right, buy signal here was at 744, trading at 920. All right, resistance is right here, so keep an eye on it as it gets to that resistance there. See how it performs. All right, and next target is right here. Right here. Okay, so good trade going there. CLVT, nothing to do there. All right, HCAT, good markdown phase. All right, buy signal, pull back, holding. White candles, nothing to do. Let's see if buyers could come back in, test resistance there. Okay. UIS, right? Great trade here, guys. UIS, buy signal all the way down here. 380. All right, gapped up today. Big candle, 738. All right, good trade there. That's up 100 points there. UIS, great trade going there. All right. All right, VIAV, beautiful markdown phase. Look at that, guys. Beautiful markdown phase. Buy signal was at 845. Trading close today at 1017. All right, we needed to get to this resistance. The markets hold. All right, indexes hold. All right, we needed to break through, get past this area here where sellers are sitting. This is where sellers came in before. And here, our target, ultimate target, all the way up here. All right. VIAV, nothing to do. Hold the trade. Okay. Now, most of these should hold, should be strong enough to continue to move higher. All right. ADV, buy signal here, break off this resistance, target all the way right here. So it's almost near its target. All right. ADV. This one had closed. So BDN, buy signal was here at 442, closed at 514. Close the trade, please. All right. All right. BDN, close the trade. Next one. All right. MCW, buy signal was at 629, close today at 870. Good trade going. Target, we need to get it to this target here, which is $10. All right. Don't close the trade automatically. All right. Because this is a good risk reward. It can get up all the way up here. All right. So just, all right, make sure you put in your resistance line. Next resistance is about right here. All right. You might find some resistance in here. Okay. But just let it continue to move higher, guys. No red candles. All right. No sell signal. Let it continue to move higher. MCW. Okay. All right. AMRN. Really good markdown phase, guys. Look at this. All right, this one fell from what 220 all the way down to buy signal came in at 83 cents, trading at $1.15. Right, we needed to break through resistance here. Next target up here. Okay. All right. AMRN. All right, this one is holding. This one is holding. CYH, buy signal here, heading towards its target. CYH right here. All right, FULC, that's holding. Um, GRTS, that's holding. Now this is a different trade. This is a channel right here, right? Downward channel. Let's see if we could. We've gotten out of that channel. So let's do this. All right. So we've got support. Let's call this support right about here. Resistance. This is very difficult trading here, guys. So we got the highs here. All right. Let's see if we can get past this area here. All right. This one here, you have to be careful. Now, it made a nice move higher. It closed right here today, right here. Buy signal all the way down here. But this has a tendency to spike up and come back down, right? Spike up, come back down. So it spike up, right? So really, it needs to get past this area here, past this area here, and then this area for it to start trending. Okay, very difficult trading here. All right, we really don't have a decent markdown phase. All right, so all right, hold it like this. Okay, all right, so the goal is to get past these areas here, but first sign of a white candle, you might just want to close the trade there. All right. INO, all right, really good markdown phase, good risk reward. This one fell from, what's that, 268, trading at buy signal, came in at 43 cents, so very inexpensive stock. Trading at 69 cents, nothing to do. Hopefully it can get to its target here, all right? INO. A really good markdown phase. NGM buy signal was at another inexpensive stock, 94 cents, trading at $1.29. We need that to get to its target there. Okay. NKTX buy signal was at $2. All right. Good trade going here, guys. Currently at close today at 788. All right. So really good trade. What's that? 300% or so. Reached its first target, but it's holding, right? Buyers are still holding. And the market holds. Let's see if it can get up to its area. I tell you, if it can get up to $16, guys, from a buy of what's that, $1, all right, at $2, $1.98, that would be a great trade. It's a great trade already. NKTX. All right. All right. This one is holding. Holding. All right. Heading towards its target. All right. Be patient with this. Just hold them. RNA. Nice markdown phase. Good selling. We need those sellers, right, to come in before we can buy. All right. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely there. Same thing. SGHI. All right. Markdown phase. Here's your buy signal. Accumulation, buy signal, moving up nicely. ORC, all right. Target is here. White candle, all right. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right, QD, buy signal here. We've got a big white candle here. I would keep an eye on this, guys. Keep an eye on this one here. We need buyers to come in, especially with the market being up today. Market was up, the Dow was up. This should be up. All right. We should not have a big candle like this on an up day. So keep an eye on it if you're in it. All right. STKL, right? Another good trade going here. Buy signal 444, trading at 586. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here. All green candles, nothing to do. All right. So bring in your lines, right, in the markdown phase in the markup phase, frame it for price. Otherwise, you get lost in the price. Okay. And here's your target here. Here's your resistance. Okay. All right. Almost done with stock boss. Then we'll take a look at bull master. HYLN. So our stock boss traders, for any of the systems, just right click. Okay, right click on your screen. All right, on your chart. Go to drawings, trend line, and just bring in your trend line to frame your markdown phase. Do it again. Drawing, trend line. All right, for your markup phase. Okay. I have to give credit to Zaire for doing this. All right. He calls this the V, and he's been doing this, works really well for him. So if it works for him, all right, it will work for us also. Okay. Markdown phase, buy signal, markup phase, all green candles. Here was our target here. Okay. LES, LESL, another one here. Let's move it here. All right. Buy markdown phase, buy signal. All right. This was choppy. I think we got in right about here on the break here. All green candles, nothing to do. Here's your first target here. If it gets past this target, your first target, second target, all the way up here where sellers came in before. Okay. All right. Last one for stock boss. Look at this selling here. Good markdown phase here. All right. All the way up here. Good selling. All right. Here is your V. Markdown phase. Markup phase. Buy signal is here. Buy signal came in at 360. Trading at 421. Need to break through that resistance and hopefully test your next target all the way up here. All right. So good job with stock boss holding all the positions. Nothing to change. And now bull master, and then we'll be done. All right. We're right on time. All right. Notice we don't have a lot, guys. We've trimmed the positions, taken profits, taken our small losses. Okay. All right. ALGN, markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely there. AMD looks good, guys. Continuing to move higher. Buy signal here, broke resistance, right? Nice trade going there. All right. Just let it run. ARHS, buy signal here, markdown phase. Here is where we have resistance. Sellers are sitting here, moving up nicely right here. Nothing to do. All right. This one broke out. Looks good. CAMT. All right. This one here sitting at resistance. You guys notice that it's just consolidating right here, just like it did here, just like it did here. Buy signal here. Look where it gapped down. So this area here, all right, that 49.50 mark right in here, that's traders are watching this area here. All right. So what we need to do is have buyers, right, breakthrough test here. They're holding right here. See that buy signal here? They're holding. We're getting higher lows here. All right. So pay attention to what your price is doing. Okay. Don't get emotional about the trade. Okay. All right. This one here, DV, buy signal all the way down here. Here's your markdown phase, buy signal here, all green candles. All right. Beautiful trade here. Getting ready to test resistance here. Pay attention to how it reacts to resistance. If sellers are bringing it down or if buyers are really jumping in. Okay. All right. That will add to your profits. DX. Okay. Now, DX reached its resistance here. A high buy signal here. Keep an eye on this one here. White candle here. We need buyers to come back in. So the next couple of days, we need buyers to come in, test resistance again. If it fails with a red candle, close the trade. All right, this one looks good. E and V, good markdown phase, good selling, buy signal, trading up nicely. Look at it, looking towards that resistance up here. Okay. All right. ENV. Notice, guys, most of these, 90% of these have really good markdown phases, right? We go through these stocks to find the best setups, right? All right, so we need sellers in order to buy. We need a discount. All right, this is our discount. This is our discount. The markdown phase is our discount. Okay, so here is your V, and here is our target. We have a clear target all the way up here. Remember, the way it comes down in that markdown phase is usually the way it will go up. So if we have a smooth selling, smooth markdown phase, we should have a nice smooth markup phase all the way back up. Okay. And that's our profit. ESTA. Good job there. All right. This one is holding. All right. All right. This one is breaking out. HUBS, right? Reached its target, breaking out, continuing to move higher. All right. This one is holding. That's getting ready to break out. This one here is breaking out. Look at this. Nice markdown phase. Don't you love these markdown phases, guys? Really good markdown phase. Buy signal here. Here it is. Candle is breaking out. Gapped up today. Breaking out that resistance line there. Okay. All right. This one is holding. 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 Keep an eye on this purple support and resistance, okay? Buy signal here, broke resistance all the way up here, held it, right? We talked about this one. Buyers came back, green candles after these white candles, gapped up today, great trade going there, okay? This one is holding, broke out here, still holding, great trade there. Keep an eye on this one, purple support and resistance here. All right, keep an eye. It's nearing its target here. Keep an eye on that one. And beautiful setup here. All right, markdown phase, buy signal, nicely done. Just needs to break through that resistance. Let's see if we have another target there. Yep, if it gets past this area, we can actually move this now to about right here. Next target all the way up here. Okay. And we're done. Okay. All right. Now, we'll start looking if the markets hold. Right. The indexes will start to add more, but that all depends on heat seeker, right? So if we get new opportunities in heat seeker, we'll start to look to add. Our US 30 traders. Okay. You guys know that I know it's tempting to trade on these smaller time frames, but remember that when the market is consolidating, it's okay to trade on the smaller time frames. Okay, as things is trending, we need to increase that time frame, open up that time frame so we can capture those bigger moves. Okay, so where am I here? So I'm going to end with this. I know it's really, really tempting to trade the smaller time frames. Not that you can't do it. You can do it, but it's nice when you capture these big moves. Okay? So you guys remember that Forex was consolidating. I mean, US 30 was consolidating in this period here. So I'm going to bring this here. And I promise we'll be done after this. Okay, so you guys remember our US 30 traders, especially, you guys remember when the US 30 was consolidating in here, and our trading window was the 60-minute time frame. Okay, because we were caught up between support and resistance. Support here, resistance here. Well, we're out of that now. Okay, it's broken out. The US 30 has broken out of that consolidation, out of that range. So now it's trending. All right. So if you guys see here, it's trending with a new buy signal here. Okay. So force yourself to open up that time frame. Now you don't have to open it up all the way to a 240. Okay. Now the best trades right now is on the 240. So if we look here, and it's not the time frame we want to trade, it's a time frame that the market is giving us. Okay. So bought here, this is on the 240, buy signal here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. This is on the 240 now. Bought here, sold here, bought here, so got out here, and now we have a new buy signal here. If you're able to stay in this trade here, that's a lot of money, guys. And you guys know the US 30 will run. All right. So if you're able to just capture some of these trades here on this 240, right? It could make your month, it could make your quarter, it could perhaps make your year. All right. Especially I know some of our US 30 traders, you put some real capital to work. You guys put real capital to work. Okay. So just be aware the condition of the US 30. The Dow is moving higher. It's breaking out all-time highs. You could see, retail traders really jump in. Everyone really jump in to push that price lower. I mean, higher. Okay. So buy signal here. This is a fresh new buy signal, right? If it fails, it fails, right? If it fails, it fails. But our job is to get on these trades. Okay. So open up that time frame, right? Open up that time frame and take advantage of these opportunities here, okay, with the US 30, especially. All right. Same with the NAS and the S&P. Okay. If you want to keep it on the smaller time frames, you can. But if you notice the smaller time frames are choppy, they'll become choppy. All right. As it trends up that markup phase on the daily time frame, right? These smaller time frames won't trade as well. All right. The 60-minute will, right? The 60-minute right here, you might find some opportunities on the 60-minute. Okay. But even the 60-minute, look at that, might be choppy. So that 240-minute time frame is the best time frame to trade it currently until things change. We know at some point it will change, but right now that's the best time frame to trade it. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. All right. Thanks for coming. I'll see you all tomorrow. And Mike Freeman, nice to see you, bud. I haven't seen you in a while. All right. Thanks for coming, buddy. Thanks for coming. All right, guys. You guys take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. All right. Bye bye.